This is FIMI X8 Mini, and today I will show how you can restore default battery parameters and preferences on this drone. So first, launch the FIMI Navi Mini app on your mobile phone and go into the Enter Device interface or camera view. Now, open Settings by tapping at this cog icon. Here on the left, select the battery icon to open the battery settings. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and here press the Reset Bat Para, which stands for Reset Battery Parameters. So press this button, confirm that you would like to reset those options by pressing the reset option once again, and as you can see, the reset is successful. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.